In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in ClickUp 4.0. By the end, you'll have a fresh workspace set up, a few smart defaults in place, and a quick test task saved so you can hit the ground running. Start by opening ClickUp and making sure you're in the latest version. Look to the top left of your screen. That's where the workspace selector lives in ClickUp 4.0. Click the workspace label to open it. You'll see a small drop-down appear. From there, scroll to the bottom of the menu and click Create Workspace. This starts a short guided setup that asks a few questions and helps tailor ClickUp to your needs. Don't worry, none of these choices are permanent. You can change them later if your team evolves. First up, ClickUp will ask what you plan to use this workspace for. This helps surface the right templates and features. Think about the main purpose. Are you organizing projects, coordinating a team, tracking clients, or planning releases? Choose the option that best matches your day-to-day work. Next, you'll be asked what you'll be managing in the workspace. This is about your domain or function, things like IT, software development, or marketing. Pick the one that best describes your area. If you're not sure, select the closest fit. You can always fine-tune your setup later. Once you've made your selections, click Next. You may see another screen confirming or refining those choices. Go ahead and click Next again to continue. You'll then be prompted to confirm your email address to connect your profile to the workspace. Use the address you want associated with this team. If you're recording or sharing your screen, avoid displaying your personal details. After that, you'll see an option to choose integrated tools. This is a great time to link the systems you already use so your data flows smoothly into ClickUp. For example, if you regularly import lists or reports, select Excel and CSV. If your team collaborates through chat and meetings, pick MS Teams to bring conversations closer to your tasks. Click on the tools that make sense for your workflow. You're not locked in. You can add or remove integrations later. So start with the ones you'll use immediately. When you're done choosing, click Next to move on. Now it's time to enable features you want available in your workspace. You'll see a range of options designed to support different ways of working. If your team bills hours or you want insight into where time goes, turn on time tracking. This lets you log time directly on tasks and report on it later. If you prefer planning your week visually, enable Calendar. That will give you a schedule view that aligns tasks with dates, helping you forecast workload and deadlines. Explore the options you see and select only what you need right now. Keeping things simple makes onboarding easier, and you can always activate more features as your process matures. When your selections are set, click Next. ClickUp will now prompt you to name your first space. A quick note on terminology. A workspace is your overall environment, the top-level home for your company or team, while a space is a major section inside it, often dedicated to a department, client, product, or project group. Give your space a clear, recognizable name so everyone understands what belongs there. A concise, consistent naming convention makes navigation effortless as you grow. Once you've entered the name, click Finish. ClickUp will generate your fresh environment with the options and tools you selected, and you'll land inside your new space ready to build out lists, tasks, and views. With the workspace created and your first space ready, let's confirm everything is working by adding a quick task. Open the space you just named and create a simple task. Something like Welcome Setup or First Milestone Planning. Add a short description or a due date if that helps, then click Save. Seeing that task appear is a great sign that your structure is in place and you're ready to start organizing real work. Let's recap the flow you just completed. You opened the Workspace menu in the top left, chose Create Workspace, answered a couple of questions about your use case and what you'll manage, and advanced through the setup. You connected your email to personalize the environment. You picked integrated tools such as Excel and CSV and MS Teams to streamline data and communication. You enabled key features like time tracking and calendar to match how your team operates. You named your first space, clicked Finish, and finally created and saved a test task to confirm everything is good to go. A few tips as you proceed. If you're unsure about any selection, choose the simplest option and iterate. ClickUp is flexible, so small adjustments over time usually work better than trying to perfect everything on day one. Keep your space names focused and unambiguous. Activate features based on pain points, not curiosity. Turn on what you'll use this week, then expand when the need is clear. For integrations, start with the one or two that will replace a manual step immediately. For many teams, that's importing from spreadsheets and connecting team chat. And whenever you invite collaborators, make sure the workspace and space names are intuitive so new members can navigate without a walkthrough. That's it. Your new ClickUp 4.0 workspace is set up. Your foundational tools and features are in place, and you've created your first task to kick things off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.